Hello friends, in this video, we'll discuss WatchOS 26, the supported Apple Watch models, and release dates. So let's watch the video until the end. Introduction. As we know, Apple recently released WatchOS 11.5 in May 2025. The next generation WatchOS operating systems will be renamed according to their release cycles. Is your Apple Watch included? WatchOS 26 to support these Apple Watch models, displayed on a video screen. The new WatchOS 26 will drop support for Series 5 or earlier versions. This major update is inspired by Vision OS and includes features like new watch faces, health-related improvements, AI enhancements, and more. Important release milestones. June 9, 2025 announcement developer beta release. Apple will unveil its new operating systems, including WatchOS 26, at the Worldwide Developers Conference 2025. The developer beta will be released on the same day. July 2025 public beta release. After 1 month of developer beta, the public beta will be released in July 2025. September 2025 final release. If there are no bugs and errors in the developer and public beta, WatchOS 26 will be released in September 2025. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest technical video updates.